thought it would be fun to show you my morning skincare routine and a little bit of makeup, what I've been doing. This is kind of like my perfect summer, or let's say spring, my perfect spring look because it's really light and fresh, but it just gives me a little oomph. Starting with SPF. This is Bondi Sands SPF 60 Sunny Drops Face Serum. Take a good amount. This is beautiful. It has an SPF of 60, which is amazing. Let me not flash you. I love this formula because it feels very hydrating and light on the skin, but it has this invisible finish. As you can see, it just kind of melts into the skin. Kind of gives you like a nice little glow, but it's not going to leave any like white shadows or white casts under your makeup, which I think is very crucial. So you could even put this over your makeup if you wanted. It says on the back of the bottle, Skin First Sun Care from the Aussie experts. It has skin living ingredients, hibiscus, and nourishing vitamin E for calm, clear skin, complexion protection. Also take the leftovers on your hands. Doing a little light concealer. This is the Skin Mimetic Concealer. I've talked about this a little bit on my TikTok because I've been trying to do like more makeup stuff over there, but I really like this trick from makeup artist Katie Jane Hughes where you put the product in the back of your palm, and she calls it priming the brush. So you stipple your brush in the product, and then this kind of becomes like your magic eraser. I think it's a really cool trick, and you really don't need much pressure. It has coverage, but it doesn't look like makeup. It's the weirdest thing. I just add a little more. I want a little more coverage. I just got this Victoria Beckham contour stick. Snatch me up. I don't know, I've been working on my own bronzer stick for so long that I feel like I'm so used to only using that using something else feels so strange. Speaking of my own bronzer stick, so many of you guys have been asking, when is my makeup line coming out? So we had actually come to a really successful point where I approved all the samples. I'm really happy with how they turned out. And then when we went to do the trials for mass production, it wasn't coming out the right way. So we switched factories, and then they just sent me the formulation last week, and it's not what I approve. I don't know how much this delays us. I don't know if I have to go to the country where I'm producing my product and physically be there, because obviously shipping back and forth, approvals, redoing it, shipping it back and forth, it takes a really long time. I'm in the process of figuring that out, but just know when it comes out, it will be made with love. Honestly, all I'm feeling today, I'm gonna add a little more lip liner. This is L'Oreal in the shade Natural. And the last thing I'll do, Rare Beauty Brow Gel. I like this a lot because it's so tiny and it really holds your brows up all day. I'll do a couple little freckles actually. I'm using an eyeliner for this. I have a really great freckle pen, but it's in my car. But it's from Lime Crime. I'll put a link to it. There you have it. That's my little refresh, and I'm loaded with SPF. I acquired a sister.
Acquired?
Yes, I acquired her. I picked her up and we're going to the farmer's market, and I'm so excited. Yay!
Put your berries in.
Oh, thank you. Yay! We're cooking dinner. Let's make pasta. I'm so excited with all my farmer's market ingredients. Best day ever. Probably just gonna cut the really big ones. Garlic. I've been on the wrong setting this whole time. Please forgive me. Let's continue with garlic. Somebody told me that this green part makes it bitter. Homemade gluten-free chicken nuggets. I can do a video on them or like put it in a vlog. It's really good. Salad and then the pasta. I'm trying the pasta. Oh my god. With the burrata on top, this is heavenly. Tomatoes are so good from the market. This is everything I wanted. Go me.